Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Azure Virtual Network and its key concepts. So I'll explain in brief so that you can understand very clearly. So Azure VNet is a private isolated network in the cloud, so that allows Azure VMs, databases, and load balancers to communicate securely. It functions like a traditional on-premises network, but with the cloud scalability. For example, see in the VNet, our main concept is to secure the data. So we won't use the complete database, but we'll only use a small portion as a VNet, where we just add the secure data. Imagine a company called Raghu hosting a e-commerce website on Azure. To ensure security and scalability, they set up an Azure VNet with the following. So front end subnet, we will be having two subnets. So front end subnet and back end subnet. The front end hosts web servers handling customer request. So customer can check the products and all. So but back end they can't access, right? So back end how it is running they can't access. The containing databases. So this is a front end and this is a back end. One side, the two subnets. With the complete parcel is a VNet, and we have see this is a back end and this is the front end. So front end users can access, and back end contains the database servers isolate from direct internet access. So people can't won't be able to access the back end, how the back end system is working. So network security group allows HTTP or HTTPS traffic to the front end and blocks direct access to the back end. So people can't access. NSG blocks the backend request, and routes on routes outgoing through an Azure firewall for security. So people needs to be access the firewall security. Okay, and key concepts in the Azure subnets. So a VNet can be divided into smaller segments called subnets for better traffic management. So why we divide the subnets? For the better traffic management, a VNet with two subnets, one for the web servers and another for the databases. And NSG act as a firewall that controls inbound and outbound traffic to resources in a subnet or VM. Example, NSG allowing only HTTP port and SSH port traffic to a web server. So inbound traffic and outbound traffic, both we can uh, add the, like we can restrict the traffic. So application what is ASG? See, it's a group of settings. So application security group. So groups similar resources together for easier security rule management. Example, ASG for web servers to apply security rules collectively instead of individually. In ASG, we'll make the request individually. In ASG, so we group the security rules. Got it? So VNet is all about the security. So how much secure we make the application, and how we can restrict the external traffic to our database. So people might be say people needs to access the front end, but we need to restrict the back end, right? So how the back end is working, then what's the customer data, or we have many things. Say all the security reasons, the payment gateway, everything, right? So we need to make it very secure. And CIDR ranges. So define IP addresses within a VNet using CIDR notation. Example, this IP address allows. So we see in the CIDR range, so we need to restrict the number of IP addresses, how many IP addresses can be able to access. So we need to make the IP address range, so to make the secure VNet. So these are the key concepts of the Azure. So yeah, I made it like simple with the points, so you can able to understand the VNet. So that's about it. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any recommendations, any or improvements or suggestions, please do let me know in the comments. So I'm doing this series for the first time, and it is quite new, but I want to make the videos so in the short forms, not see, if I want to make this a practical video, so it will take a 2 hours of time, but you won't be able not able to understand the exact concept. So that is the reason